Hello friends, your friend Jim is here to share more about English literature and research. Today we shall discuss about essential elements of research. Let's start our video from the second slide. Essential elements of research. For research design. Research design refers to the overall strategy utilized to carry out research that define a succinct and logical plan to tackle established research questions through the collection, interpretation, analysis, and discussion of data. The theoretical framework, the second one, is the structure that can hold or support the theory of a research study. The theoretical framework introduces and describes the theory which explains why the research problem under study exists. Literature review is a comprehensive summary of previous research on a topic. The literature review surveys scholarly articles, books, and other sources relevant to a particular area of research. The review should enumerate, describe, summarize, objectively evaluate, and clarifies this previous research. Strategy and ethical consideration, procedure, philosophical assumption, or worldview. Qualitative research strategy, role of the researcher, data collection procedure, including the collaborative approaches used with participant data analysis, procedure, strategy for validating finding, proposed narrative structure, anticipated ethical issues. Designing research, introduction, first of all, and abstract as well, purpose statement, research question and hypothesis, the use of theory, definition, limitation and significance, qualitative method, quantitative method, mixed method research, finding, close reading, and about the author, textual analysis, author index and subject index, empirical and non-empirical sources of data, references, the text citation, style, APA, and MLA. Thanks to watch the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more about research and literature.